this. Okay. It's gonna find it.
Okay. So at what point do you lift it up then?
Up to you. You can lift it up now.
Yeah. Then I can walk away, right? And can I just let this run for the whole game? If I have to pass the power of my...
Yep.
Okay.
If you have
I have
the space, you wanna maybe do a little bit.
Equipment check. Hey boys, equipment check first. Go equipment check. Captain Aurora. Cruz. Captain up there.
Can I do this thing?
Make sure you have shin guards on.
You leave it on.
Alright. Jewelry? Anything? No. Fine? That's fine. Alright, shake hands and captain stay back.
Okay, Cruz.
You don't have
Let's go. Hey, go. Let's go. Good luck, Christian. Wait, does our captain have to say? You know? Yeah, I know. Christian, yes. Yeah, good luck.
Why are you worried about that? Why are you worried about that?
Yeah, captain stay back. We're just going to do the boys. Hey, whoever's starting, get up there.
From the beginning, yeah.
Wait, side. Charlie. Good? Yes. Heads. Tails. Side of ball. Alright, side you.
Guys, off the dot!
Charlie, go, Charlie. Jax, check your shoulder, Jax. Yeah, hey, this way. Back a little bit, good.
Get him from straight away. He starts walking and you don't want the ball.
You don't have to ask that then.
Go, Isaac, all the way. All the way.
Unlucky, Christian.
Hey, boys, put the bench straight, put it beside our back.
Con, up, Con. Nathan, Jaden, support him. Keep her. Keep her.
Okay, I have my place. Yeah, go. That Mickey, get up there, Mickey. Arwen there, good. Mickey, but we should be there earlier, no?
I might have unlocked wrong. You might have unlocked Nico.
A gem.
Go, Charlie, hard.
Arwen drop.
Go, Charlie, hard, Charlie.
Hey, up! Giuseppe, up!
Good. Still in.
Giuseppe, right away, up!
Go, Francesco. Go, Francesco, all the way, Francesco.
Hey! Defense, right away, up!
Unlucky, Charlie, jump now, Charlie, jump.
Stay. Romario.
Hey. You gotta get back to that.
Zania,
You
up!
gotta go backwards.
Mason.
Giuseppe. Right there. Sammy.
Jack higher.
There. Aiden.
Away from pressure,
Go, Marco.
please,
Low
guys.
turn.
Yeah, Charlie!
Marco, back up, Marco, no!
Good. Good idea.
Marco,
Yeah, get him,
you
get
pressed
him,
him like I was alone. Let Romario
Other
work.
way!
Now!
Yes, great ball,
Jackson!
Nico, well done! Charlie!
Dale, hey, Xander, go, Xander! Aiden, go!
Isaac.
Oh, one more.
To the line. To the line.
Marco,
Charlie,
tuck
go
in.
side, Charlie. Go side, right. Jax, drop a little
Right
bit.
there.
Get that
Switch.
Jackson!
Jackson! Romario, this player here, right here. Marco, tuck in. Romario, behind you. Yes.
Check your shoulder, Christian, there. Good.
Hey, Marco, here.
Jack, be aware, Jack. Good.
Go, Marco, shoot it.
Yeah, drive. Drive, you're up. Referee, we'll take that, ref.
Shocking.
Offside.
That's shocking. Hey, that's fully offside. I said fully a foul.
Tried to make a call right there and then you didn't call.
Other way.
Forward, Liam. Hey, just be safe there, right? And be aware of where you are, okay? Okay, Arwen.
Christian, where are we, Christian?
Johnny, go on. Hey, let's play
Other
quick.
way. Go, Charlie. Go, Charlie.
Let's keep it at this rate!
Fucking move around.
Nathan,
Charlie,
deliver.
hey, when you see Christian turn and open up, that's when you need to start going, yeah?
Aiden, be aware.
Don't fall, Sammy. Aiden,
Shocking call. Anyways.
Drop.
That's you.
Drop.
Jaden,
Christian,
leave
where
it.
are we going?
Oh, defense!
Aiden, drop.
Nathan, go. Austin, stay in line, always.
Defense!
Aiden, drop.
Get the Charlie. Block this pass up, Charlie. Good. It's us.
Arwen, Jack.
Johnny, come.
Liam, nice
Guys,
back.
I'm not gonna ask again. Go behind.
Contender! Jackson, take it!
Hey, what did I say? Always
Giuseppe in the
drop,
back,
right?
Sammy in the back! Jackson! Eden! Outside the box!
Go side.
Marco! Tuck in! Sammy!
Play back!
And hey, switch. Go on to the right. Armand
Shoot,
come to the
Dad.
left, okay?
Wide!
Again, Declan.
Go Mario! Defense, hey! Giuseppe! Be careful when they come in, let it come back!
All the way back. Go, Charlie. Touch. Real slow. Good. Open up. Good. Blue Bay Central. Good. One more.
Giuseppe, out!
That's well done, Yellow. Referee
Giuseppe, you're
change.
too high up!
Ref, change. Christian, come.
Giuseppe, you're too high
Charlie,
up!
center
Where you
mid.
are.
Tired.
Armand, on the
left.
left.
Declan,
Just left.
Declan.
Tired?
give us something,
It's okay.
yeah?
Hey, that's why you gotta conserve your energy. You don't have to go balls over all the way back. You can't get
Drop
back.
back, Giuseppe! Drop back! Yes!
When you receive central, pick your head up and quick play the other way.
Out! Wide!
We're gonna put Johnny on
Turn!
the score. Oh,
Mario!
Johnny, well done.
Step, Sammy, step!
Declan, go.
Hey, Romario! Marco, tuck in, Marco! Good! Romario!
Arwin big! Good!
Dale! Don't turn. Tight. Yes, out! Hey!
Relax, Jack, man on!
Defense, up!
Hey, Francesco, I need you to move more still, bro. Yeah, move.
Guys, we have to tell the men on.
Fucking leaf.
Lad, remember, kick off your feet.
Chris Wood reject.
Yeah, Mickey. Good. Let's go. Drive.
Yes, man!
Across.
Hit it. That's well done, Theo. That's well done.
Well played, Mickey Declan, well done.
Other way!
That's really well done.
Hey, you see what happens when we go? Right? Excellent. Good work, Declan, well done.
And then he touched the player.
Mickey, excellent. Right? Step a bit higher, turn him over.
Johnny, you're good. Let's
Yeah,
go, Johnny. You're
Yara.
Romario!
Good, Yara.
good. Johnny, if you're hurt, go down, Johnny.
Nathan's on it. Nathan, are you not on? Yeah, Jack, you're fine. Jack's fine. You guys figure it out.
Why are we standing, boys? Move!
Jackson, you get
Go, Armand.
Aiden, go.
Drive, Armand,
Aiden,
all the way, Armand.
go.
Thunder!
It's coming here, Leo.
Who's that, Jack? I'm the Joe. Come on, guys. Nice, Armand.
He's on, we can play him, right? It's your decision.
Armand, urgency, yeah? Let's play with some urgency, please.
Thunder, boy.
Oh, that's fair. Yeah, true. I was thinking for coverage.
Yeah. No, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Give them all this side.
Yeah, you're right.
Good. Drive.
Jackie!
Fall.
Up, defense!
Johnny, higher, line with
Good,
Francesco.
Aiden.
On his touch, Francesco. Get there, Armand!
This way.
Urgency! Fucking Christ, we just talked about it yesterday.
Come on,
Yeah,
set
Jack.
Yeah.
Arwin be aware. Arwin be. Again. Good, Jack. Good, D.
Yes, you are, man.
Defense, wake up!
All the way back.
Come on, Giuseppe!
Armand, hey, come here. Remember yesterday at the session when you need to step quick? That's what you need to do.
Sammy, come here!
Now head up. Yes, Armand, much better, Armand. Go now, get up there. Jack,
Jack's
check
on the
your
back.
shoulder,
Jack's on the
Jax.
back. Jack.
Santino, what are you marking?
Cheers.
Up, defense, up!
It is.
Still in.
Here, play this one.
All the way back. Wide now. Good, Jax. This way. Switch. Jax, hey. Once you beat him, head up and try to look for the shit.
Good drop.
Armand, get wide, Armand.
Jack, do it. Yep. Yep.
Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie.
Up, Jack. Up, Jack. Back to bounce. Back to lane, get on the ball. Hey, hey, there. Go through it. Yeah? You can clear that out. Right?
Christian, go forward.
Down Marco.
Good, Nathan. Well done, Nathan.
Good job, good stuff. Vicky, get on 77.
Yep. Good.
Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. Up.
Armand, wide. Come.
Good.
High and wide, Armand. Go, Armand.
Yep. Back in the box. Go.
Giuseppe. You gotta go fast and move back, buddy. Giuseppe.
Bounce.
Marco, it's our ball. Adriano, go in the box.
Are you good?
Marco, take it. In the box.
Cover Leo, cover Leo.
Giuseppe. Wait, Marco, wait. Giuseppe, are you injured? Are you hurt? Hi, Marco, hi.
Nico, hey, Nico, off your foot, yeah?
Grab.
Wow.
Sammy, come.
Head up, try to look the other way. You gotta get back and forth, yeah, up and down.
Back lane.
What I'm saying is, you don't have to always go all the way.
Arwen's on.
We're taking everybody else up. But to me, with that,
We have Marco, number 18. Marco, number 18.
not both go. Francesco, that way. Chris, here, Armand, here. Good.
Giuseppe, like I said, you're too high up. Play me good.
That's us.
Turn. Play Adriano.
Luca. Back to me and ball, please.
Go, Johnny.
Marco, first touch, Marco. Constantino, no turn.
Hey.
Luca, quicker, Luca.
Francesco, just play him if you see it.
Bruce, that's you. Everybody else up.
Marco,
Mason. Tuck in a little bit. Just a little bit.
Always be
Drop more, Charlie, drop. Good, yeah. Charlie, higher, hey, higher a little bit. Up, Jax, up a little bit. Good.
No turn, Adriano, no turn. Go ahead, Adriano.
Johnny, shoot.
Go, Zania.
Oh, referee will take that.
Ref change.
Nico,
come. Wait, where are you going? Good stuff. Are you tired?
Romero.
Hey,
Romero.
Hey, great job. Get that ball back. I know you're looking for that shot.
Up.
You're gonna get the ball back.
Time, Zania.
Back lane, if you have time, take it down and turn.
Come on. Good. Other way.
Giuseppe. Santino, wide. Xander.
Jack, higher.
Maddie. Hey, press the ball.
Jack, drop, Jack, drop.
Come on, Romario. Luca, why, Luca?
Go, Aston. Reps up. D off our foot, D.
Francisco, high. Johnny, higher. Johnny, higher.
Nathan, CDM.
Francisco, all the way.
Yes, Adriano. Tanya, play. Don't jump, Xander. Xander, don't jump.
Wow, what a good. Oh my god, I missed it. When I pulled the power to this breakout, unreal. Dude.
Shoot, Adriano. Relax. You got time. Come on.
Johnny, unlucky. Armand, well done. Leo, well done. Good stuff.
Marco, good ball. Come on, Maddie. Hey, stay. Adriano, stay. Luca, turn around. Stay. Xander. Memorial, pick my man.
I'll take that. No, get in the
Xander.
box.
Go, Santi. Man, Marco, tight. Marco, tight.
Leo,
Go,
stay.
Marco. Marco, tight. I'll just say, put it away.
Yep.
Jax, cross it in.
Go down.
Wait, Jax, let us get set up. Wait.
Ref.
Good. Great cross.
Well done, Austin. Declan, go. Arwen, get us high.
Don't jump.
All the way back.
Sammy, go. Set up. Sammy, please under.
Great ball, Kareem. Armand, we gotta get our body. Not just this. Get our body behind it. Kareem, good ball.
Luca, let's go, Luca. Get that ball, Luca.
Hang on, gentlemen. Second that ball comes in
Hey,
play, I got
you can't let him out of there, man. Like, step.
What's their ball,
Sorry,
Armand?
that's you, but Mason behind him.
Good. Up, Charlie.
Go, Austin. Go, Austin.
Unlucky. No way.
Okay, fine. Drop.
Mark, please, Mark.
Strong. Good. Hold him up. Relax.
Hey, Santino, play simple, okay? Hey, Xander, hey. Marco. Quick, Marco.
Yes, Charlie, well done. Why are we jumping over there? All the way back, Jax. Good touch.
Good, Varna. Well done.
Okay, Romario.
Armand, drop Armand.
Marco, 18, tight. Marco, 18, tight. Sammy.
Or get one. Go get one.
Got you, Sammy, the bounce, Sammy. Go ahead.
D, if you're gonna go, you have to go, man. You can't just half-ass in there.
Good. We skip one again. Skip one.
Underneath D. Nathan, get underneath D. Hold.
Come, Francesco.
Out!
Come on,
Out!
Armand.
Yeah, Lee! Armand!
Good ball.
Marco. Come on, Marco.
Come, Nico, come.
Hang on, yellow.
Beat him.
You're gonna get dropped. Make sure you up and down.
Oh, Sammy, afuera. Guys, attack the ball.
But if we can play it quickly, just throw it quickly there.
Go, Maddie. Up.
Charlie,
Marco.
check.
Relax.
Number 80, Santino.
Check in, Charlie. Yeah, go, check.
Cover for him, Jack. Good.
Good, man. Ref, change.
Charlie B.
Good stuff.
Sander,
Good stuff, dude.
stop jumping.
Let's go energy out there, boys. Let's go energy out there. Go, go, go. Energy. Let's go. Energy, energy. All the way back. All the way back. That's well done, Leo. Get there, Armand. Simple. Turn. Unlucky.
Come on, oh, defense.
Arwin, drop. Arwin, drop. Good. Now we go
Up.
forward.
13 on number 80. 80.
Big
80.
Austin, big
80.
Austin.
80.
Good, Varna.
Zanya, got a step, Zanya. Good, Jackson.
Vlad, up, Vlad. Nathan, up, Nathan.
Romario, back, Romario.
Mason, be ready.
Yes,
To Mason if you can.
Go, Armand.
Zander, let's go,
D drop.
Zander.
D, be aware.
Drive, Armand, go. Charlie, stay warm.
Tight. Marco, tight. Don't jump.
Yeah, I started
Drive. Liam, take it. Mason, go down. Go down.
Aston, drop. Aston, stay. Now we go.
Come on, go. Play him, Maddie, play him.
Good, Kareem.
Be ready.
Jack, that can't happen. Either you go or
Sander!
you don't go.
Yara. Wait, Yara.
Other way.
Maddie, good try, Maddie. You're gonna go for Armand. Don't be fixed. Get a little bit. Yeah. Santino. Don't jump in. Go, Marco. Again, Marco.
Go, Mason.
Sanya, take the ball.
Mason, be aware, man.
Pégale, weón. Control. Turn. Jackson.
Oh, it's unlucky, Leo. Leo, good work. Unlucky. Ref, change.
Armand.
Ref.
Wait, Jax, wait.
Come on, Armand.
Go side.
Good stuff, eh? Well done. I just need you to be I need you to run 110% always. Does that make sense? When they're winning against the ball, you need to step. Yeah? When we're going this way and you see a free ball, you've got to step hard.
Jax, in front of the goalie, Jax.
Get there, Leo, hard.
Hey, top of the box. Aston, top of the box.
Hit it!
Hey, let's jump for the
Hit it.
ball.
Nico, touch it for Francesco. No.
Turn. It's okay, they bounce.
Mason, Con, wall.
Jackson, go, leave it. Hey.
Francesco. Ask for yards. Ask for yards.
Timing.
Hey, Leo, drop. Charlie, goal side. Yeah, goal side.
That ball was bouncing, you let it, you back up. Go to the ball right away.
Pressure on the touch.
Hey, CR, let's get more involved.
Francesco, you gotta wait for the whistle.
Yes.
Hey. Be aware.
Man on. Mario, why are you just hitting me?
Good, Aston.
Oh my God, what a play.
Good.
Jax, well done. Now drop, Jax. Time, Leo, time.
Aston, get up there. You know what's gonna happen.
Good. I'm gonna drive forward now. Drive. Keep going, Leo. You can keep going.
Go, Mason.